Hello student, welcome back in the online class of Social Studies. In the previous video, we had studied about Maharashtra and Goa. Today, we will know about one more coastal state, that is Karnataka. We will continue the same chapter, chapter number 15, Coastal Plains and Islands. See in short, the main features of the state Karnataka. Capital of the state is Bengaluru. Area near about 1,92,000 square kilometer. Districts 30 districts. Population around 65 million. Main rivers flowing through the state are Krishna, Kaveri and Tungabhadra. Main language spoken in the state is Kannada. Main festivals celebrated in the state are Dasahra, Ugadi and Shivratri. Okay. Now all of you open page number 135 in your social studies book. Student, see the location of the state Karnataka here. Here its area is attached with Arabian Sea. Okay. And Karnataka shares its border with the state of Goa, Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Okay. See, Karnataka is located on the western coast surrounded by Maharashtra and Goa. In the north, Kerala in the west, Andhra Pradesh in the east and Tamil Nadu in the south. Okay. Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. Main rivers flowing through the state are Krishna, Kaveri and Tungabhadra. These are the main rivers which flow through the state. Kannada is the main language. Men wear lungi and shirt. Women wear sari. Yakshagan is a popular folk entertainment of Karnataka. Yakshagan is a popular theatre form. It is a kind of entertainment for the people of Karnataka. Folk form of entertainment. Dasahra, Ugadi. Ugadi is a New Year day in Karnataka. And Shivratri are main festivals of the state. People mainly work in farming. Means most of the people of the state are farmers. Trading and corporate offices. Tea, coffee, cotton, sugarcane and spices are the main crops of the state. Aeroplane manufacturing, forestry, software, watches, gold mining, electronics and forestry are some of the major industries of the state. Major, important. These are some of the main industries of the state. Aeroplane is also manufactured in the state of Karnataka. Ancient temples, for example, Hoysaleshwara, Sri Chennakeshwar and Sri Ranganatha temple are the famous temples in the state. Waterfalls such as Jog, Ebi and Gokak are famous. These are the famous waterfalls in the state. The ruins of Hampi, wildlife sanctuaries and national parks, for example, Ansi, Etivari, Bhadra, Magadi and Godavari. Magadi and Godavari are other tourist attractions in the state. Tourists visit the places. Now see, the main cities of Karnataka are Mysore, Hubli, Dharwad, Mangalore, Belgaum and Bellary. These are the famous cities or important cities in Karnataka. Some of the important ports are New Mangalore, Malpe and Padubidri. Okay, Padubidri. These are important ports in the state. Okay, see again, important ports are New Mangalore, Malpe and Padubidri. These are the important ports of the state. So students, today we learned about coastal state Karnataka. Let's revise in short. Capital of Karnataka is Bengaluru. Total area 1,92,000 square kilometer. Number of districts 30. Population near about 65 million. Main rivers Krishna, Kaveri and Tungabhadra. Main language Kannada. Main festivals Dasahara, Ugadi and Shivratri. Okay. People of Karnataka mainly are farmers. There are also a lot of industry in the state. A lot of industries are found in the state Karnataka. In the next video, we will know about one more coastal state, about Kerala. Okay? Till then, revise the topic and listen the video carefully. Thank you. God bless you all.